Hi, glad that you are here. I'm the other Alexander, and I will be your guide to the Microsoft Power Universe. You have no idea what it is. You never heard the terms Power Apps, Power Automate, or Power Virtual Agents? Or you already had your first experience with it? Then you are here right now. Together, we will take a journey to the richness of Microsoft Power Universe. Together, we will build our first Power App. We will build your first workflow with Power Automate. And of course, we will try the newest feature. Let's describe it and let the AI build it. While we are on the topic AI, let's don't forget the AI Builder. I will show you how the AI can make your apps smarter without having been a data scientist. With Power Virtual Agents, we will build your first bot. And at the end of the day, we have still had some Power Pages and Power BI. Don't worry. You don't need to be a programmer to do all this stuff. The motto is less code, more power. And I will show you how it will work in March. Look forward to see you in Newport in March 2023. I'm Alexander and I will be your guide to the Microsoft Power Universe. Cheers!